Okay, possession and plurals. First of all, let's go for possession. What I mean by that are little words like my, your, his, her, our, and their. Let's practice some of these just using the word house, which as we know is casa. So to say my house would be mi casa. So mi standing for my in Spanish. Mi casa is my house. To say your house, it would be tu casa. And then for his, her, and their house, it's actually all the same. It's simply su. Su casa could be his house, her house, or their house. Then finally we have our house, which would be nuestra. Nuestra casa. That's the longest one of them. Now here we have to watch out a little bit because the word casa is feminine, ending in an A. So for that reason, we have nuestra casa. It's matching the two A's, nuestra and casa. But if we were talking about a masculine word, for example, car, which is carro, then it would change to nuestro carro. So this is the only one that we have to be careful with because it changes to match whether the word is masculine or feminine. So we can either have for our nuestro or nuestra, depending if the word is masculine or feminine. Let's practice with the word apple, which as we know is manzana. Manzana. How would you say my apple? Mi manzana. Your apple. Tu manzana. His, her, or their apple. Su manzana. And our apple. Nuestra manzana. Here again we used nuestra because manzana is ending in A. It's a feminine word. Now, not everything in life is singular, right? So we have plurals. How do we deal with plurals? For example, what if we want to say my apples? Well, that would be mis manzanas. Notice how we're adding an S. So we have mi manzana or mis manzanas to make it plural. Mi goes to mis. To say your apples, it works in exactly the same way. We just add an S. So we would have tus manzanas. Here we have tu manzana or tus manzanas for plural. His, her, and their apples. Try to guess that one. Sus manzanas. Again, it's the same work in action there. So we have sus manzanas for his apples, her apples, or their apples. Finally, we have our apples. Try to say that. Nuestras manzanas. So we have adding an S again onto both words to make it plural. And because manzana is a feminine word, we have nuestras instead of nuestros. If it was a masculine word like, say, our cars, then this would change like this, nuestros carros. Here's a short drill to check if you've understood what we've covered here. How would you say their cars? Sus carros. Our house. Nuestra casa. Our apples. Nuestras manzanas. Our cars. Nuestros carros. His pool. Su alberca. I like their pool. Me gusta su alberca. Her house. Su casa. My window. Mi ventana. My windows. Mis ventanas. Your glass. Tu vaso. Your glasses. Tus vasos. Their glasses. Sus vasos. My friend. Mi amigo. My friends. Mis amigos. Your friend. Tu amigo. Your friends. Tus amigos. His, her, or their friend. Su amigo. His, her, or their friends. Sus amigos. Our friend. Nuestro amigo. And our friends. Nuestros amigos.